Good afternoon, Warriors, and welcome back to school. Today is Wednesday, August 19th, 2020, and we're going to take a look at the first homework video off our homework chart for this school year. Homework for this evening, in math, you have an interest inventory. Please make sure you get that done. It's the very simple homework because you're answering questions about yourself, both your past a little bit, your present, and your future. In science and social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we have an optional name search worksheet that is due Thursday. It's a word search. You're looking up teachers' names. You're looking at the last names only. And then at the bottom, those lines that are next to the blank, those are used to go through and to fill out what the position or the job is for each teacher. And in literature, there is no homework. Looking down here for career and life, there's no homework, and also for FCS 6, there is no homework. One piece of advice that I would like to share with you guys is that this year, and every year that we've ever had, if your Chromebook is not working, that is not an excuse for not doing any of your online homework. You can access the Google Classroom from any device that has the internet. So you may be on another computer at home. It could be a desktop. It could be a laptop. It could be a cell phone. You could be on your PlayStation or your Xbox and streaming through your TV. But any device that does have the internet, that is something that you can go through and that you can access. I hope everyone had a great day. That's going to be it for Wednesday. We'll see you all tomorrow.